Hey everyone, it's Mr. Lentz coming to you again through the power of the internet. Today I wanted to show you how to submit your product for an HD competition through the registration website. So in my last video, I took my process paper, my annotated bibliography, and my product, which in this case was an exhibit, and I merged them into a PDF. So if you have not done that, please check out that video on merging PDF files. So now that I actually have my product and it's set up the way that it should be presented for competition, the next thing I'm going to do is actually register. So to register for the regional competition, you are going to want to go to SC-GSRC. It stands for Grand Strand Regional Competition. So that's sc-gsrc.nhd.org. And it'll take you to a web page that looks like this. So the first thing that you want to do, if you haven't created an account already, is to create one down here. So you're going to type in your first name, your last name, your email. You'll tell the system that you're not a robot, and you'll create an account. And it'll take you through several web pages asking for parents' email address, asking for your school, asking for your teacher and everything. So just answer all those questions. But I'm going to pause right here so I can load up a students page for you and show you how to actually upload your document, your product. Okay, so now I'm back at a student's view of a NHD registration web page. And you'll see here that there's a place to upload a file. So you would click that, and then you would choose the file that you want to upload. And in this case, I'm going to select the PDF that I want. I'm not going to click it now because I do not want to submit the product for the student. But after you select the file, you hit upload, and that green bar will fill up, showing you that it's correctly attached to your registrations account. And then you would hit save, and you would be done. And this is also a web page where you can go to make sure that all your information is correct, make sure that you're registered under the correct school and the correct teachers, so on and so forth. But so again, you would log into your account, and that would be under your name. So, and then my profile. And I'm on a teacher view, but your student view will look something like this. After you click your name in the top right, view profile, a window like this will pop up, and you go to upload file. Now, this area looks different depending on what your product is. If you're a website, it'll ask for your website code, and those are I believe it's an 8-digit number that is part of your website's URL when it's published. But every other product, this is a place for you to upload files like PDFs, video files for documentaries and performances this year, things like that. So please feel free to watch this video again if you need to learn, if you need just a refresher on how to upload these documents. As always, please ask me, Ms. Bell, or Ms. McKeever for help with that. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.